Hi there, I'm Marcie Billen with Team Realty and Keller Mulinix, and I have a house to show you today in Newalla, Oklahoma. This house is in Harris Schools. It's right at 2149 square feet. It does have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and then a half bathroom off the utility room. This property is over 1.5 acres. A lot of the yard you're going to see in the backyard. It goes really far back and it has a lot of beautiful trees. So let's take a look. Okay, here's the driveway rolling up to the house. This beautiful sign that the previous owner had made. And you can see here in the front yard, we have a lot of mature trees. We're gonna go in through the front door here and take a look at the living space. It does have a fully fenced backyard. All right. Going in through this front door here, we can see that there's kind of a grand foyer. And then here right in front of us, that's the dining room area. It is a formal dining room. There's also a breakfast nook. The floors are fully tiled. There's a lot of beautiful woodwork in this house as well. Show you by panning up on this camera a little bit so that you can see. Beautiful woodwork around the fireplace. You don't get this in a lot of houses now. All right, so here are 2 bedrooms. The first one we're going to go into is the primary bedroom. So this is going to connect to one of the bathrooms. It is a Jack and Jill technically with one of the front bedrooms, which is set up currently as an office. So here's the primary bathroom. You can see the garden tub here on the left, and then you also have the shower on the right. Hard to show in the video without getting far enough back. The vanities, lots of storage underneath there. And here's the Australian closet. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what this closet has to offer with storage. Okay, so this right here is the front bedroom, what I call the 4th bedroom in this house, and it's set up for a home office, which is perfect if you're looking to work from home. And it does have a full closet if you need to turn it back into a bedroom. All right, so next I want to show you what the back porch kind of looks like from inside, and then also the kitchen. The back porch has been added onto. It's expansive, perfect for gatherings. Here's the view of the kitchen into the living room. So we have hard surface countertops, beautiful custom wood cabinetry, and of course a gas stove. Here's the laundry room, which is connected to that half bath. All right, so as I said, this is a split plan. So the primary bedroom and then also that 4th bedroom, which we're calling the office in this case because it has those built-ins, but also a closet, that's on the right side of the house as you walk in the front door. On the left side of the house, you have the other 2 bedrooms and the laundry room and everything. So they're closer to the garage. Here's the 1st bedroom. Show you the closet here really quick. All right, nice big closet. We're gonna go over into the 2nd bedroom here as well. There is a bathroom on this side of the house, the hall bathroom in between. Here's the last bedroom that I'll show you. All the bedrooms are very similar. This one just does have a bigger closet. All right, next we're gonna go into the backyard. So going across the kitchen here, out this back patio door. Okay, so here's kind of the add-on back porch that they did. And this is perfect, especially if you are staying at home a lot. It does have siding on the interior of this. And then you can see this beautiful, large, mature trees, bushes everywhere in the backyard. Here's what this back porch looks like. It does have stamped concrete and of course these really nice large windows. And this house does have 3 outbuildings. Here's the first one on the left, little fireplace area, and then there are 2 more back in those trees. I know it's hard to tell. If you need more information on this house, in the description below, you'll find my information. I'm the listing agent for the property. And then you'll also find the full link to the listing on our website. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call. You can also leave a comment, and my email is below as well. Thanks so much for watching.